My name is Brittnie Giles. I am principal of Designer Brittnie Interiors here in Miami, and this is my project at Rise in Brickell City Center. I hope you enjoy. When I first walked through the unit with my clients, I knew that this was going to be a vacation home. It's a larger family, but they love to come and hang out together. So we wanted to create like a Miami spa escape. So that's where, that really bleached wood came in, really brighten up the space with the LED lighting, and the curved sofa, something completely out of their norm. We wanted to create a space that isn't like any of their other homes or the home that they live in full-time. So the best part of working with WAD Design would have to be that they never told me no. I think a lot of designers would agree that when they're working with contractors or mill workers or anybody in design, a lot of our designs will get shot down really quickly because maybe it is something that the contractor hasn't done before or the mill worker hasn't done before. So they have to get a bit more creative, and a lot of times we get stopped really quickly when there's certain design challenges that they don't necessarily want to figure out with me. So with WAD Design, it was really refreshing knowing that when we walk through the space, we troubleshot all of the areas, and they were really willing to work with me and figure out a way to create exactly what I wanted. The final result of this project met my expectations and my clients' expectations beyond. I mean, the quality of work, the detail that went into it, it was just from the beginning to end exactly what I envisioned and more. It really turned out perfectly. So very happy, very happy. So I think 3 words to describe WAD Design would have to be organized. When we first walked through, it was the full team. I got the full team walking through with me, and everybody was making notes. There was printouts, our drawings. We were making detailed measurements on everything to make sure it fit properly. The next one would be detailed because, just that. There are so many little moments in this apartment that we really had to figure out ways to create a softer line with all of the setbacks in the walls. So very detailed in that sense, and quality, which is obviously most important for any designer or any homeowner. They want to know that they're getting quality product and craftsmanship, and that's exactly what they delivered. So they have a lifelong client in Designer Brittnie Interiors.